Welcome back, Kaspa traders, lovers, investor, Kaspa Army, the best community in cryptocurrency. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. In this video, we're gonna share with you multiple areas you want to watch in this Kaspa possible pullback and what you wanna watch. Okay, so first of all, Kaspa looks like confirming a breakout. Okay, a breakdown. Sorry, we had this support. Okay, we had this support. We lost support. We are losing support now. Now let's see how this daily candle will close. If it will close above 118 or 12, you're gonna have a strong hammer and you might get a bounce. But if it's gonna close below or like that, you're going to have a confirmed breakdown because you just lost support. Okay. Now if this will be confirmed, you're going to probably see a bigger pullback, okay, from Kaspa, because it's also losing now. It's trying to lose the 50-day MA. Okay, now look, potential areas you want to watch for this pullback. Again, it's not a financial advice. We believe Kaspa, all dips should be bought, sir. All dips should be bought. This video is a buying opportunity. Yeah, so like the video, sir. Now, we're looking. We already have buy orders ready all the way down. Okay, all the way down we have buy orders ready. We don't know how. Maybe we're gonna get lucky, get a little, you know, a mini capitulation and a V bottom. So you never know. We have the buy orders ready, stacked to accumulate more Kaspa on this pullback. Okay, now let's look. So first of all, you had this top formation. Okay, the top formation took place between 115 and pretty much 155. Okay, so if you measure the move, the potential move from here to here, and the breakdown move could take you all the way to the 0075. Okay, again, this level, in my opinion, this zone is the golden zone. Okay, this is where I believe a lot of buyers waiting, a lot of big buyers, the Kaspa whales, the investors, the miners, everybody, and retail, big cat, big fish, big dolphins waiting there to buy. Okay, they're already buying, in my opinion, but obviously now we have some serious sellers in the Kaspa, and we might see a bigger retrace. Now, let's look on potential retracement on the fib retracement tool. Okay, so you take the fib, you can measure it from this low or from this low or from the breakout. I like to measure it from the breakout point. So basically, you have around the 75, we discuss 89, and the 101. These are the most important levels on the fib. Okay, you lose these levels, you're probably going to test the 200-day MA. 200-day MA is at 55. We don't see that happening, but man, in crypto, expect the unexpected. Now we're getting some big signal, sir. Big signal now we're gonna share with you. Like the video, sir. Subscribe to the channel. We cover Kaspa in the good time and in the bad time, sir. We told you to buy at 0.05. We told you to take profits on the pump. And we're now telling you to be prepared to buy the dip if you are a Kaspa trader and in the army. If you're in the Kaspa army, me, I'm a MEXC. I'm a trader and investor. I'm buying everything, Kaspa. I'm buying breakouts. I'm buying dips. I'm buying everything, man. Everything. I'm a buyer. Kaspa, Kaspa, Kaspa. Sir, seriously, on a serious note, we have a significant reversal signal on the stochastic RSI on the 2-week chart. This is significant. Last time you had this kind of signal, this signal is not printing a lot of time because also Kaspa is very young chart. It's only from June 2022. And you had this cross back down here and we had a big correction. Okay, let's look on log scale. We had a significant correction here. This was a 70% correction. Right here, 70, almost 75% correction. We had back in March, April, May, you know, we had this correction. We're not calling for this, but this 2-week cross, okay, if it will come back all the way down, you can get a significant retracement. Let's look on the weekly. Weekly cross back down already. We warned you here a week ago, something like that, that we got this cross, so you be prepared for a possible breakdown. And now look, the weekly cross gave you here, it was a smaller correction. And here as well, it was a very small correction. Here, let's see what's gonna happen. Again, let's see what's gonna happen. We don't have a crystal ball. In my opinion, every dip on Kaspa should be bought, and that's what the whales are doing, and that's why the smart people are doing. And this is where the big money is gonna be made. If you're gonna buy, I don't know if it's gonna come here, come here, whatever, come here, come here. This is the time when the smart money is buying, okay? Smart money is going to buy the S on this, okay? And then smart money will make the life-changing money, okay? While dumb money is selling now, okay? Dumb money is selling. Smart money will buy and have bids all over, because it's very, very, very likely that in the next wave of Kaspa, you're gonna see a move to the dollar, probably, okay? In the next wave, because every wave, if you measure the waves, sir, you see, that was, again, this is just speculation now, okay? So let's look on the weekly. Okay, this was a wave. When we're talking about waves, this was a big wave as well, okay? Talking about like waves, we see significant waves on the weekly. Here you can say you had 2 waves, but make it 1. Okay, so you had this one, the big one. You had this wave, then a big pullback, this wave. Okay, so you had multiple waves on Kaspa. Okay, but let's look at it from here. So what I wanted to tell you. So regarding the wave now, so the next wave, okay, this correction, who knows, maybe it want to retrace to these levels, to these tops, okay, to retest support, or maybe to retest prior resistance. But look here, if you look carefully here, we didn't retest, okay, but we retest the 200-day. If you are a Kaspa student, you know, the Kaspa retest the 200-day. That was the best buying opportunity for Kaspa this year, foreign investors, okay, from like this year, obviously from June, okay, in the summer. The summer, it was the best buy, and it was a retest of the 200-day. And if it's gonna retest the 200-day, we don't know, but if it will, that's the best buying opportunity ever, sir. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, sir. This is the time you want to join a community of traders and investors that are maximalists of Kaspa, and they also trade other coins to accumulate more dollars to buy more Kaspa on the correction. Let me show you a trade we took, man, we made so much money in the last, you know, we nailed this move on Kaspa, but once it went sideways, we had many other trades that makes us nice money. Show you one trade, sir. This was INJ. It was a mega trade, man, from December 7th. Look at that. That was the trade. By now, the price was 17.9 and triple the size on the break above 19.2. Let me show you INJ, sir. INJ. Let me show you this INJ price, man. That was our entry here. We bought the breakout here. Big position. And we even bought some here. Starter. Something around $17. Okay, we managed to make... Well, KAS was doing nothing here, man. Honestly. Objectively. First trade, 80% max gain. That's actually, the first trade was a double. The second trade, the big one, was around 80%. Now we have much more capital waiting in the sidelines. We're pretty much all in cash now, waiting for the dip on Kaspa. Obviously trading some breakouts, trying to accumulate more cash. But the big money is now waiting for Kaspa. Kaspa and other bangers we're going to accumulate if we're going to get a correction now. Okay, so if you want to join our community, sir, click on the link in the description. Choose a tier. We do market updates every day. Trade alerts coming every day until we get a correction, and then probably we're not going to get so many trades. We're probably going to get maybe a little here, a little there, but not as many as we had in the last month and a half, 2 months. But still, you have trading lessons, market updates, anything you need to know, all the coins watch list we talk about in the market updates, okay? All the bangers we're going to buy, we're going to accumulate, we're going to swing trade, we're going to buy dips. Everything on the market updates. If you're brand new, or if you want a better service, if you're dealing with, you know, 20K, 30K, 50K, 100K, and you want to become much better in crypto trading and investing, go VIP or Elite VIP, book a call with me today, and let's take it to the next level, sir. See you in the next video. Cheers.